I've made my left-handed solid jaw here, and now I want to make the right-handed jaw. To do that, SOLIDWORKS has a great feature. I can create the mirrored part. First, I need to select a plane or a face. I'll select this face of this part. Then from the drop-down menu, I'll choose Insert, Mirrored Part. I want the mirrored part to be inch, same as the original part, so I'll select OK. And then SOLIDWORKS will ask me, what features do I want to be mirrored? I'm going to go with the default. All I have is a solid body, so I'm going to mirror the solid body. If I had material, that would be mirrored as well. I could choose to break the link to the original part, but I don't want to. If I realize the original part's wrong and I edit it, I want the mirrored part to update as well. So I'm going to say accept these, and then I create my mirrored part. If I look at it isometrically, shade it with edges, I now have the right jaw, so I need to save it. And over here it tells me this is mirrored, and the error tells me it was created in the context of something else. In this case, the original left jaw solid body.